Hey Cindy, this is Roger at the store CVS Dover. I just added a sensor for these far right back of windows here, bank of windows on the far right, which are those three. That's your sensor right there. Just for the first three, we have another sensor right here that controls the center in the far left bank. As I press the top right there, the shade goes, oh, it's all the way up. So if I press down, heck, the shades are coming down. There you go. That's hard too. So they stop, and then if I press up, they go back up. And I press stop again, they stopped. So it should work. They also work from here, up, down. They all work. So hopefully is the last time, but who knows. Thank you.